guys, I'm back with a new video and I've already applied this unit. At the beginning, you'll see, well, after this clip, I will be plucking this wig and how I got it like this. I have not laid anything down yet. I'm not gonna be using the Got To Be Glued free spray in this because I just don't feel like I need it. I've already put the elastic bands on the side so they kind of just adhere to my head. There's no lifting on this really, so I'm all good to go. But the focus on this one's gonna be basically just me plucking. I got this unit from Nadula Hair. They also sent me this with an elastic band, which I've already put in this unit already. This hair is really, really long. I'm gonna go in and just do my frontal area here and just lay down the baby hairs. I'm also gonna move this wig cap back further. I did a ton of plucking, so yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy because I did a lot of work on this. So I'm about to film this video for Nadula Hair and I've already plucked this side of the unit. As you can see, there's like a lot of scalp happening here. I'm gonna probably go in more on this side so I can pull this all the way back, but the tracks kind of start right over here, so I'm not sure how far I'm gonna be able to go, but I feel like this is looking pretty done. I was actually trying to follow some steps from Tatiana. I think her name is, what, Tatiana Ali? Yeah, she did a video where she was plucking her units and stuff. So I really wanted to thin mine out and see how it would look on me. And I think I did a pretty good job on this side. So I'm gonna go in on this side, which is like really, really thick, and see if I can thin it out like I did on this end over here. And hopefully I can continue to use this way because this side is super thick and I didn't realize how thick I left my units. So y'all see that? It's looking very realistic. And this is where I put my elastic band. So it kind of stops in this area, which is fine. I do this, but I don't have to always put glue or my Got To Be spray, so that it actually just adheres to my head without putting anything on it, and I can still do my baby hairs, all that good stuff. It's just a second option. You don't have to do that. You can also do it to where it basically goes all the way down on your sideburn area, but for me, I can still tuck this behind my ear and it's fine. Okay, so it's gonna look pretty bad maybe in the first like 3 minutes of me plucking this side because it took me a while to figure out that I had to kind of pluck backwards instead of just plucking in the front. So as you can see here, I'm making the mistake of just kind of doing it in the same spot. I do have some hair pulled to the front, but there really wasn't enough, and you kind of have to keep pulling the hair back and just going backwards, or else you will get some bald spots. But luckily enough, as you guys could see from the beginning of this video, I didn't have a problem with that. I'm also kind of just plucking the other way around too, so I'm just trying to thin everything out as I go. I know even in Tatiana's video, she was saying that it will look scary at first, but once you put the wig on, it's pretty much good to go. But yes, you can run into getting a really bad bald spot, which does not look good. And now it's time to style the baby hairs on this unit. So I'm going in first and I'm pushing back the wig cap that I have on because it was way too far in the front. Now I'm going in with my foam and I'm gonna push the hair back so that it's easier for me to work on the hairs in the front. So yeah, but before I get started, I will also usually go in with a powder just to make sure everything blends in a little bit more. And the rest of this is just me styling the baby hairs. I've done this so many times on my channel, so it's no surprise as to how I do it. I just took like a little edge control brush and I'm working that way. So I love the job that I did as far as me going in and plucking. Like, this looks so much better than my other units that I've done. Like, it looks so much more realistic. So I'm gonna get into the specs of this hair and let's get started. This hair is really, really long. But yeah, this hair is from Nadula Hair. I got their straight unit. A little bit of leave out here because my hair is like curling up, but that's fine. At least it still looks somewhat decent on the sides and stuff. Yeah, so this unit is a 13 by 4. So it goes 4 inches back, 13 inches across. It's 150% for the density. Y'all can see this hair is like very, very thick. There's a lot of hair going on. I went ahead and I also did a blunt cut. So I did kind of chop the ends off because I wanted it to just kind of have like a very unified cut at the end. And yes, I wanted to go for it. Now you don't have to put it behind your ears like I did. Like, you can just still move it. But I like how it's not in my face, because whenever I just get wigs and I don't pluck it like I did today, the hair will literally go in my face the whole night, or wherever I'm at, it's gonna get in my way, and I don't like that. So I'm really happy that because I plucked it, it just looks more natural and it's gonna act more naturally and not just fall everywhere. And yeah, and this is after I washed it. Y'all saw I kind of, I'm not sure if I straightened it on camera, but I did straighten it. I did wash it today. It has a lot more body than I thought it would, honestly. And this is their silky straight virgin hair in 24 inches. I probably cut maybe like 1 inch off. So right now it's maybe 23 inches, but it's really, really long. It goes all the way to my waist. And yeah, that's how I plucked everything, laid it down. I think it's because there's a lot of hair going on and it's super thick, but y'all can see now after straightening it, it's all good to go. So the price for this unit, 24 inches, is only $215.81. It is not even close to $300. It's literally at $200, which is amazing for a 24-inch unit and a unit that you can basically customize like this. That's really good in my opinion. Like, I really do like that price. So you guys should go ahead and check it out. But I just wanted to try something out that was different for the first time as far as how I customize my units and stuff. I did put some foundation on the lace and everything. I think that's it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. It was not that long because I was mostly focusing on the plucking of this unit, but the hair is really, really pretty. Again, please check out Nadula Hair. Like, this is what it's looking like. It's so long, and this is after me cutting it too. Hope that y'all like it. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.